Hello again guys. So just a quick update. I've managed to make up a little bracket for the front of the bash plate here, and basically I don't know how we're going to be able to see this because I've sprayed it the same colour as everything else, but I managed to find this bit of I don't know what it was actually. It was just a strip of metal with a load of holes in it. I can't remember what I had it for, but I just had it lying around in the toolbox. So all I've done is bolt it through one of the engine mounts on each side, and it's just created this nice little bracket. So this is now 100% solid, as it should be, which is fantastic. And as I say, it still looks part of the bike, which is good. So there you go. Just thought I'd update you guys that I did actually manage to find a way of securing this at the front, because I was a little bit concerned with it just being down here. If this did get bashed or something, or if these bolts down here broke and this fell off and went under the back wheel, that could obviously cause an accident. So I'm quite happy that I've managed to make this all nice and secure as it should be. There we go.